Wouldn't this look nice sitting on top of your patio table as a centerpiece? Well, keep watching how I create this while using only Dollar Tree materials. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss another DIY video. And if you are not new, welcome back. So let's get started. So you would need some 5-gallon painter sticks, and I got these from free at Lowe's. And these are some Jenga blocks that I found in the toy section of Dollar Tree. You will also need to buy 3 burners, which you can also buy at Dollar Tree. I already had these on hand, but they have a different brand at Dollar Tree. I picked up 3 bags of the rocks, but you actually only needed 2, so I had 1 left over. You will also need some stain paint, which you can see I already used this type of paint from a previous video, and I'll put that link above on the screen. But this is the only thing that you cannot buy at Dollar Tree. So you can buy this at a local Home Depot, Walmart, or Lowe's, somewhere like that. You will also need a glue gun or a regular 3600E glue, something like that, so that you can stick everything together. Okay, so the first step is to stain your blocks. If you don't like this particular block color, you can stain it, you can paint it any paint color that you would like. And I kind of advise you to use some gloves because this did get all over my hands. So in the next scene, you'll see me switching over to some gloves. Okay, so here I have on gloves, and it does take a minute to paint or stain each individual block. So I just wind up rubbing the paint and stain all over the blocks at one time. So the next step is to measure your painter sticks at 10 centimeters. And we're measuring it so that we can cut it at 10 centimeters. And I'll show you exactly why. So now that I have my 4 painter sticks cut, I will be super gluing or hot gluing the sticks together so that they line up in a row. And this is what it looks like once you super glue or hot glue everything, all the sticks together. So remember the sticks that I just cut? I'm going to be using it to stick on the back of the painter sticks that we just laid out. And it's going to be used as a stand at the bottom of the fire pit. So this is optional. I went ahead and stained the painter sticks, but you don't have to. So this is the fun part. It doesn't have to be perfect. All you're doing is just gluing the Jenga blocks to the board any way that you like it. But I kind of did it to where some of my blocks were poking out so that it looks like a Jenga set. But whatever you want to do, you can cut it off and make it smooth so where there's no blocks poking out. But it's just really up to your preference. I was definitely switching back and forth between the glue gun and the E3600 glue. I wasn't exactly sure which one worked best. I think the super glue, well, actually, I think the hot gun glue is the one that actually worked best on only because it didn't slide as I was placing the Jenga blocks down, versus the other glue where it kind of slid because it didn't dry as quick. I also used the burners and placed them inside of the base of the fire pit to see exactly where I would like either the sticks to be poked out or sticked out at, and where I liked everything to align on the board. So I would advise putting the burners on the painter stick so that you can see exactly where you would like your blocks to be placed. So you guys know, or if you don't know, but if you know me from looking at my previous videos, I love DIY projects, and this one was really easy to do, and I thought it was very cute. If you guys have any suggestions on what you are looking to do and you would like to see me do them, just let me know in the comment area, and I would definitely look into it and try to figure out how to do a budget friendly but also easy DIY project. It could be anything from doing decor for your patio to doing some type of indoor decor or anything like that. But I'm definitely going to be showing you guys some of my DIY projects coming up soon. So just make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell button so that you could be notified for the next time I do a DIY project. So yeah, so I really appreciate you guys watching my channel, and thank you guys. Keep watching. Honestly, it was exactly like putting a puzzle piece together, but a easy puzzle piece. Now I am just gluing down the framing border around the miniature fire pit. So this is what it looks like so far, but I'm not feeling this color. So I'm about to paint it a different color. So I decided to paint the brown blocks black. You can use any type of black paint, honestly, but yeah, I'm not really liking that brown color. And I am glad I chose black, but let me know what you guys think, what color I should have used, or if I should have kept it the same, in the comments area. Also, another tip is, if you are going to paint your blocks, go ahead and do it before you glue it, because I had to dip and dab in all the areas that I wanted to paint, so it kind of like took some time. So we're finished. All you need to do now is place your burners into the miniature fire pit and go ahead and put your rocks and scatter it all over the fire pit where you would like it, and you're done. I am really liking how this turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments area. I got my husband to go ahead and light up the miniature fire pit, or miniature centerpiece fire pit, however you want to say it. But I got him to go ahead and light it up for me so that I could show you guys how it looks once it's lit up. Isn't that pretty? I can't wait to decorate my patio now. I'm so ready, and I'll be making sure that I do a video of how I decide to decorate my patio soon. So just be on the lookout for that. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.